So this is Bob. Bob is a nurse, and this is showing front stage. So in front stage, it's him. He's interacting with his patient, doing just the normal nurse type things. This is backstage. So Bob's at home now. He's sitting in his living room, watching some TV, just chilling out, thinking about work tomorrow. This is actor. So this is showing Bob in his work scenario where he's trying to help a patient and he's getting blamed by a family member for causing what is happening to his kinfolk, as we would say, and he's still acting professional, putting on an act, trying to just help his patient and not worry about the guy who's causing a ruckus. This is audience. Paul's audience is just his patients he sees every day, and how he how he helps them every single day that he sees them. So for impression management, I did Bob has a RN badge on. Anyone in healthcare, if they work in a healthcare setting, has a badge, and it tells you what you are. And Bob has his RN badge saying that he's a registered nurse and that he's allowed to do the things that he is in hospital. Next, we have props. These are some of the things that Bob wears to make himself look more professional and build trust with his patients. And it's again his RN badge saying that he's a registered nurse, and then maybe his stethoscopes. Stethoscopes always look professional and make you trust your doctors a little more. For scripts, um, every doctor, nurse, anyone who's in healthcare, they all kind of ask you the same things. How are you feeling today? What's hurting? What can I do? Have you been taking your medicine? Just basic stuff like that. For losing face, Bob, he's kind of dove off the deep end. His hands aren't clean. There's green fumes coming off of them. They're stinky. He ain't been washing them, and he's not being very professional because he's just saying, like, "Yep, looks like you're sick" to the person who's laying in the hospital bed. So that wouldn't be too good. And for saving face, uh, Bob is being a good person. He's helping his patient. His hands are clean, and he's saying, "Looks like you're all better." And his patient is building a rapport with him and says, "Thank you so much."